Hello everyone, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and yes, that's right, you could win this Triton for $2.99. This is one of the bikes we have on the site at the minute, up for raffle. It's a lovely 1970 Triton. It's a 1950 Norton frame with a beautiful unit construction Triumph engine. As you can see, the whole bike's been fully restored. It's a T120R bottom end with uprated 750 barrel and piston. It's got this aftermarket Magneto setup, which is quite striking. Awesome black colour scheme. Painted alley flanged rims. Really is a stunning bike. It's got the TT silencers with tapered ends. Looks beautiful in this gorgeous Cotswold countryside. As you can see, the rapeseed is out at the minute. It's got a lovely Norton Commando twin leading front brake with painted hubs. From every angle, this bike just looks stunning. I mean, you could take 1,000 photos, you wouldn't get sick of it. See, it's got the black painted hub on this side as well. It's a recent restoration, so it's all in fantastic condition. Just get a 360. Lovely big alley painted tank. A modern Smith Speedo. Those lovely clip-ons with solid alley levers. See, you got your twin amyl carbs. There's the T120R bottom end. Quilted stitched seat, all custom made back end. Again, you got painted black alley flange rims on the back and painted hubs, all stainless steel fittings. It's just an awesome machine. I'd love to keep this one. It looks so cool. What we'll do, we'll start her up. Very easy to start, even though it's a 750. Last famous words, that is. I haven't started it probably for the last 2 hours, so it is cold. I will prove now. So you've got your two fuel taps here. Got one there. And one under here. Need to tickle these amyl carbs to prime them with fuel. There's no ignition because it's got a Magneto setup, which is there. Give that one a tickle. You kickstart there. Make sure your foot rest is up, otherwise the kickstart will hit it. And then just give her a kick. I'll try and do this whilst holding the phone. I need to give it a bit more of a tickle. There's no choke. And that's your cut off button there, starting to drizzle a little bit, so we'll get her back in the van. If you're watching this video and this competition has ended, please still go to the link below, as we're always looking for nice cafe races and Tritons, so we should always have something like this on the site. Also lots of nice old British classics and Japanese classics. But if you are lucky enough to see this video and the bike is still live on the site, good luck if you do enter, and I appreciate your support, and stay tuned for lots of nice cafe races and classic bikes in the future. Great, thank you all for watching. Goodbye.